This is exercise 24A, where we're asked to determine the level of confidence given the confidence coefficient z of alpha over 2 is equal to 1.645. So basically what we're doing here is we're picturing in a normal distribution where we try and capture a middle percentage to establish a confidence level. We're trying to picture what that level of confidence is in between a z of negative 1.645 and a z of positive 1.645. And so all we really have to do to determine this this level of confidence is look up in table A for the area that is below a z of negative 1.645. And again, our table rounds to the nearest hundredth, so we'd have to look up z of negative 1.65. But it does come out to be about equal to 0.0500. Then look up in our table for the area that corresponds to the area below the z-score of 1.645, and that corresponds to an area of about 0.9500. So to find the percentage of observations between them, we just take the bigger of those areas, in this case 0.9500, and we subtract the smaller of those areas, which is in this case 0.0500, and we get a confidence level of 0.9000, which is about equal to 90%.